let's create some fire in Blender. So I'm going to delete this cube, X delete, Shift A, and I'm going to add a monkey. I'm going to have a monkey ablaze. Now I'm going to go up here. I'm going to go to Object, and I believe there's a Quick Effects, and we have Quick Effects Smoke. We're going to click Smoke, and we have a very smoky monkey right now. So if I hit play, that's what it looks like. But we want to add flames to this. So I'm going to click on the monkey, go here to the physics, and we can see this is the inflow. So we have the flow. This is the flow source. So it's pretty much the exact same as fluid because it is fluid. So instead of having it as a liquid, it has it as smoke. But in our case, we want fire plus smoke. So I'm going to do fire plus smoke right here. And this is a fluid, so it's very similar to the fluid simulation that we did before. So we have fire plus smoke. And that, yeah, so that's about it on this side. So we have fire plus smoke. That looks good. If I hit play, you're not going to see anything because we have to also do it on this side as well. So right now we have it as gas. That's correct. Scroll down here. We need fire. So those are just a few things for the fire. And let's see, we want render advance. Here's the cache. We need to change it to all. And we just want, let's say from 50 to just kind of play around, bake all. We should see, there we go. Those are the flames. Look at that. So all we did, right, it's the same setup as the fluid sim, except for the domain, we have it as the domain type as gas. And we have the monkey fire plus smoke, right? And the flow type is a flow. So real quick, the reason why we didn't see fire in the first place was because we had to rebake it. So if you ever have an issue for a simulation that you're not seeing your changes, you do a free all and then a bake all, and then hopefully when it rebakes it, you'll actually have it. So that looks pretty good, right? Well, the next thing we want to do is to actually add the fire to the material. So let's go into shading. So here's shading. If I click on the domain, right? For some reason, I'm not seeing it. If that ever happens to you, we can do view and we can do frame all. All right. So there we have it. So this is how we can make a very quick fire.